We have a segment on this podcast called Safety Third.
Shake hands with danger.
After setting the base and guy anchors, we fly the tower up the mountainside to the power line right-of-way. We would hold the tower upright on the base while the ground crew attached and tensioned the guy wires. This was all well and good for the first few days until we started running out of towers to set. Hurricane Maria had turned a large number of towers into twisted scrap metal, so reusing anything possible became the order of the day. One such tower was a structure that had survived the hurricane, but had two of the three phases, which are the big lines that carry the power, ripped off. The remaining phase was still connected by the insulator, but the cable disappeared into the jungle up and downhill of the tower. The tension of the still connected phase had pulled the tower about 10 to 15 feet to one side and twisted it quite noticeably. We got a phone call that they wanted us to use our big-ass helicopter with a long line and grapple to pull on the remaining phase to remove the tension on the tower so an iron worker could cut the wire free. We yanked on the wire with over 9,000 pounds of force and it didn't move at all. After seeing enough Roadrunner cartoons, I knew that being in the giant slingshot never worked out well. So we called the guys on the ground and said the plan wasn't going to work and we don't want to be connected to this thing when it cuts loose. They then asked us to just wait overhead and pull the power line back into the right-of-way after they cut it free from the tower. After a quick cockpit discussion about how stupid this plan was, we responded, okay, just to watch the show.
Dude's wrong.
We moved off to a safe distance and watched the iron worker hang off the arm of the tower and start cutting with a huge gas-powered saw.
Egad! What great peril do our heroes find their comrade in? Will he survive the imminent threat thrust upon him by his impatient superior? Tune in next time to see the thrilling conclusion of Shake Hands with Danger!